taught you science. Okay, I was taking your science, and this year also I am going to teach you science. Okay, and in this today I am starting our first chapter of science, that is nutrition in plants. Okay, and whatever you were learned in the class 6 science first chapter, food, where does it comes from, these both are interlinked chapter. Okay, and after this class, read the 6th science book once. Okay, by that you can get the concepts clear. And here in this chapter we are going to learn about nutrition in plants. In that first word is nutrients. Nutrients means nothing but the components which are there inside the food are called nutrients. Okay, and taking nutrients inside our body is known as nutrition. Taking nutrients inside our body is known as nutrition. And comes to next topic, that is modes of nutrition. So modes of nutrition are nothing but types of nutrition. There are two modes of nutrition that are based on whether they are depending on others or whether they are preparing their own food. Okay, and there are two types of nutrition. Modes of nutrition are there. First one is autotrophic nutrition and the second one is heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition means nothing but self preparation. Example like plants, they will not depend on others for the food. They used to prepare their own food. That type of nutrition is called autotrophic nutrition. And the organisms which are participating in this type of nutrition is called autotrophic organisms or autotrophs. And the second mode of nutrition is heterotrophic nutrition, means nothing but depending on other organisms like plants and animals for the food. That type of nutrition is called heterotrophic nutrition, and the examples are human beings only, because we can't prepare our own food. We used to depending on plants and other animals for the food. So we are heterotrophs. Okay, so these two types of nutrition are there in your chapter. Okay, and after this come to autotrophic nutrition process. How the plants are preparing their own food means the process known as photosynthesis. So the next topic is photosynthesis in plants. Plants are green in color, you know it, that is because of chlorophyll. Green color pigment which is there inside them, it helps the plants to fix the sunlight, and this sunlight helps to combine carbon dioxide and water to form food. Plant food, nothing but carbohydrate. Okay, this process is called photosynthesis. This process is called photosynthesis. Because of this photosynthesis only they are preparing their own food. That's why they are calling them autotrophic organisms. Okay, so that's it. This is today's class. Okay, read the 6th science. Those who are not having 7th science, read the 6th science book. Those who are having 7th science book, read it once. If you are having any doubt, I will clarify in next science class. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.